Welcome to the Fast Tracks Academy. In this cashier training video, I'll be showing you how to utilize the to-do list. To access the to-do list, you need to log into the system utilizing your keypad or fingerprint. We're going to utilize the keypad here today. Once logged into the system, in the bottom left-hand side, you will see the to-do list, also known as the current to-dos. This information is sent down by management, and you have no way to reply back to these. Once you open your option here, click on the one you want to see, hit view. You will see the description, when it was sent, and the details. And you have three options down below: print, close, and close complete. So if you are completed with the task, you would hit close complete. It'll finalize the to-do action. It'll successfully mark the item completed and send an alert to management informing them that you have done what they have asked you to do. If you need to double check on it, you can hit where it says show finished, and you will now see the finished task on the list where you have the ability to view it. You cannot undo a completed task, so if you did hit complete on accident, you want to make sure to let a manager know. And this is how you would go ahead and utilize the to-do lists sent down by management from your POS system.